Hi guys, and welcome to another unboxing and first impressions. Today we're unboxing a package I got from a friend of mine who recently opened an online Gshock store called gshockstore.eu. He's a longtime watch lover and Gshock collector, and he finally turned that love into a business. So he sent me two very special Gshocks to take a look at. So let's open the box and see what we got. Let's cut this one. It's a rather large box. There we go. And there we got some papers that were supposed to stop boxes from moving around. Let's get this one out. Let's get this one out. Put this one here and open this one first. And as you can see by the box, you already know what this is. This is the recently released Gshock Rubik's Cube, which is based on the GAE-2100, although this is a GAE-2100 RC as Rubik's Cube. I already did a detailed tutorial on this module 5611, so if you want to check that out and learn how to use this watch, click on the link in the corner of the screen. This is, like I said, based on the GAE-2100, which was probably the most successful Gshock in the last year. And this one is done to celebrate the Rubik's Cube, a popular toy of the 70s and 80s, and probably early 90s. And as you can see, the watch does have all the colors of the Rubik's Cube, 6 of them. And the packaging is pretty cool. Let's open it and check it out. And although this is based on the GAE-2100, it is slightly different. That's why it has the GAE, because this one comes with a carbon core structure. Okay, we're holding it upside down. Let's just remove this protector. So this one, unlike the GAE-2100, doesn't have the screws holding the bezel, but just like that carbon core guard Gshock Square that I reviewed, and I'll put the link right here, this has an easy swap mechanism because these are held in place with little hooks, and you get a tool inside, so removing and changing the bezel is a breeze. And you actually do get an additional black bezel if this white one is not your taste, but all the bezels have these colors on them. And like I said, you have all the 6 colors. So you have the yellow, the red, the blue, then over here you have the green, orange, and you have the white. Very cool model, but like I said, I did a review and a tutorial of this, so I know how this one is. It's a very cool, one of the slimmest Gshocks, and like I said, it like hit the world like a storm last year when people just went crazy about it. This is a pretty cool addition to the collection, and it's probably one of many limited editions that we're going to be seeing. Very cool collaboration. Okay, let's move this one away, and I believe this is like $150, which is slightly more than the regular GAE-2100, not only because it's a collaboration model, but because, like I said, this is a carbon core structure, so it has this easy swap bezel. Okay, move that away and open this one. This one is very, very special, and you can already see a couple of letters. This is an MTG, which is just a step below the flagship MRG and limited edition. So let's turn it over so you can see what it is. There we go, MTGB2000 XMG, which is the Rainbow MTG. I can't wait to open this one. Look at the box, it's very nice. And there we go, one of the craziest releases, and I believe this was released late last year, but now it's becoming more available. Okay, let's remove this. And here we go. Wow, this is impressive. Wow, MTG as an MTG is already an impressive watch, but in this configuration, it really is something special. This was inspired by the Rainbow Mountain of Peru, Let's just remove this one. Oh wow, look at that bezel. I believe the mountain is called Vinicunca, and it's characterized by these layers of different sediments that have created like a real rainbow effect on a mountain. I'll put a picture somewhere here so you can see, and this Gshock was inspired by that. So they created this bezel by combining carbon fiber and glass colored fibers, which are then molded together and then cut, so each bezel is slightly different. There are no two identical bezels in the world. Very impressive watch, and it really plays with the light. Look at all those colors. It comes with their monocoque construction with a steel frame, so it is one of the toughest Gshocks you can get. It comes with a sapphire crystal. It's solar, so self-charging. It's atomic, or should I say radio controlled, so it's self-adjusting as well. And on top of that, it comes with a Bluetooth connectivity, meaning that it can connect to your phone to adjust the time zones and all of that. When it comes to functions, it's pretty basic. I mean basic. It comes with a countdown timer, a stopwatch, a world time function, alarms, and like I said, that Bluetooth connectivity, where whether you can use it as a smartwatch to adjust the time, or you can use the radio controlled function if you're within the range. Anyways, a very cool watch that I can't wait to review and see under macro with this beautiful bezel. This MTG is priced quite a lot higher than the GAE-2100, with an official retail price of $1,100. However, that price has been long gone because these are now fetching quite a lot more, from $1,500 all the way to $2,500. So if you want one, you better hurry up, because I believe the prices on these are just gonna be going more and more up. Anyways, that's it when it comes to this unboxing and first impressions. I'll just put it on my wrist real short to show you how it looks. The GAE-2100, I believe you know. Okay, just hold it like this. And here it is on my 6.7-inch wrist. It is a beast. I mean, it's big, but because of these hinges that can go pretty much straight down, it actually doesn't overhang my wrist as much as I thought. A very large watch, but definitely larger than the 2100. Anyways, that's it when it comes to this unboxing and first impressions. I will be doing a full review of both of these, so stay tuned for that. And a special thank you again to my friend, and I wish him best of luck in his online store. So far, they're just delivering within Croatia and Slovenia, but soon I believe they'll be doing it across the EU or European Union. Anyways, that's it. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.